Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and I see a crowd building up. You must be wondering what's happening here at MHCC this afternoon. Anyways, the director has given you a brief as to why we are here. We have with us our social welfare recipients who have won promotional prizes from Tremendous Finance. Initially, this is not a new promotion that is organized by MHCC. In the past, this promotion was still on, but this year we requested that as part of the prizes that will be given to our social welfare voucher recipients, that some income-generating tools could be given. We believe that the tools that are given here today in the form of brush cutters, sewing machines, agricultural helpers will assist our social welfare recipients further to earn a living. For your information, as part of the social welfare program, our recipients under the Poverty Benefit Scheme, they get a food voucher as well as a cash component, which should not be the only means of the welfare for the families. So when we requested, the MHCC came up with these tools, and we are very grateful to the company for partnering with our ministry to ensure that we make difference to the lives of these disadvantaged families. So what you're going to see this afternoon is the presentation of the prizes for the SUVO winners. We've done the presentation in Nandi and Ba. We have winners from all across the country, and we will be going out to them with these prizes. What I need to say to the company is we're very grateful. Thank you for the services you're providing in partnership with the Fijian government through our ministry. And to the recipients, you are very lucky. We have close to 20,000 social welfare recipients, and out of the 20,000 we have 6 of you are here. All I need is assurance from you that you will not sell these tools and that you will put this to better use. For those getting the machines, should you need training, we will organize training for you. For those who need trainings with the brush cut operations, the ministry will come forward and provide trainings to your family members. So with these words, once again, congratulations, and Mr. Kunal, thank you very much for coming on board.